Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CAPSA. Today's topic is about RW coefficient or Rideal-Walker coefficient test, Sigma-Martin coefficient test. So chemical disinfectants are classified based on their power, three types. First one is strong disinfectant, second one is intermediate disinfectant, and third one is low level disinfectant. Strong disinfectant means obviously can kill fungi, vegetative cells, endospores, etc. Intermediate level means these disinfectants obviously can only effective against certain viruses and endospores, and low level disinfectants are ineffective against endospores and can kill some of the viruses. So depending on the power, use will depend. It means the measurement of power of disinfection is required to ensure the application of that particular disinfection. There are various methods available which measures the power of the disinfectants. Among them, phenol coefficient is the one. So phenol coefficient is a number which is obtained by dividing the degree of dilution of test disinfectants by the degree of dilution of the phenol in a certain span of time. So this is the formula of phenol coefficient. If the value is more than 1, then the test disinfectant is more powerful than phenol. If the value is less than 1, then the test disinfectant is less powerful than the phenol. It means phenol is more powerful than the test disinfectant. Now, why phenol is chosen as the standard? Because phenol is recognized as one of the oldest antiseptic agents which has excellent antifungal and antibacterial properties. And it is considered that 0.1 to 1% of the phenol concentration solution shows the bacteriostatic property, and 1 to 2% concentration shows bactericidal and fungicidal property, and 5% concentration can kill anthrax spores within 48 hours. Okay, so two type of phenol coefficient tests are performed: Rideal-Walker coefficient test and Sigma-Martin test. RW's test is used to determine the germicidal value or to measure the bactericidal activity of the disinfecting agent. Rideal and Walker developed this test in 1903. Okay, and later this test is modified. Test organism used: Salmonella typhi. Broth composition is meat extract 20 gram, peptone 20 gram, sodium chloride 10 gram, and distilled water is 1000 ml. Now, how the broth is prepared? Dissolve the solids in distilled water, then add sufficient amount of sodium hydroxide. Why sodium hydroxide is added? Because to neutralize the solution. Then boil it. After boiling, filter it while hot. Then adjust the pH of the broth to pH 7.6 with normal HCl. After that, sterilize by using autoclave. Then final filtration of the broth is ready. After final filtration, broth is ready. Now, what are the limitations? It is ineffective in the presence of organic matter. Means when the organic matter are used, this test shows the less result, incomparable result. Time is allowed, which is for disinfectant is short, means only 10 minutes are used. Only used for phenolic type of disinfectant, means the disinfectant which has composition phenol like, only they are used in this type of test. Salmonella typhi strain is not appropriate because it is a very harmful strain, so need precaution for this type of test performance. Now, what is the procedure? So first, take 24 hours culture of Salmonella typhi, 5 ml of test disinfectant solution plus 0.2 ml of S. typhi culture is mixed at interval of 0.2.5, 5, 7.5 and 10 minutes. Subcultures are taken and transferred to fresh broth media. Now the broth tubes are incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 48 to 72 hours, then growth is measured. What is the formula? RW coefficient is equal to dilution of test disinfectant killing in 7.5 minutes, not in 5 minutes. Dilution of the standard phenol killing in 7.5 minutes, not in 5 minutes. Now what is Chick-Martin test? Chick-Martin test is also known as modified Rideal-Walker test. This test is carried out in presence of organic matter. Which kind of organic matter? Yeast suspension or 3% dried human feces is used. Time for this test is 30 minutes. In the RW test, that was 10 minutes. Both S. typhi and S. aureus strain are used to test the efficacy of the disinfectants. Now Chick and Martin developed this technique, that's why the name is Chick-Martin test in 1908. Now what is the procedure? First, serial dilution of the test solution and phenol is prepared in distilled water. Now 2.5 ml of this solution plus 2.5 ml of culture yeast suspension is added. What is culture yeast suspension? Nothing, just 2 ml of 24 hours S. typhi culture plus 48 ml of 5% dry wet yeast suspension. After contact time of 30 minutes, the above mixture is transferred to the freshly prepared 10 ml of broth. The test tubes are then incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Now growth is calculated. What is the formula? Chick-Martin coefficient equal to mean of highest phenol concentration inhibiting and lowest permitting growth by mean of highest disinfectant concentration inhibiting the lowest permitting growth. Okay. In the phenol coefficient, test disinfectant was in the above part, and in case of Chick-Martin test, standard phenol concentration is used in the above part. Okay, so this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.